My name is Dr. Tony Nader and I have a mission. I want to change the world action by action. This is why I wrote Super Habits and I want you to help me in my mission. Help the next meditator who doesn't practice TME yet, but you can help him. How? We judge a book, we judge by its cover and its reviews. That's why it's very important that you leave a review. Why? Because the algorithm will help the book to rank higher. If you want to help the next meditator, please read. And with this, you also help me to achieve my mission and transform this planet action by action, habit by habit. Of course, use your own authentic voice and your own authentic words. I just will give you an example of the copywriting or the ghostwriting example, but use your own voice to keep authenticity. This is the first thing I wanted to say. The second thing is use the power of community. So in this case, more and more people will leave a review because they feel that they are a part of a community and they will help you to achieve the mission, and they also will help the next meditator, next potential meditator to turn into a TM practitioner. That is crucial step that turn your book into an evergreen lead machine that generates more and more TM practitioners on an evergreen, reliable fashion.